Welcome everyone to another unboxing of an item I got. I believe this one was on YouTube from 4C Comics. And I believe this is a piece of artwork that was on a charity auction for Dave Williams. So let's get going right to checking this out here. And we'll move over to the overhead cam. All right, so let's see. It looks like we got packaged up pretty good here. Okay, so it looks like there's some really sturdy, you can call it cardboard, backers, I guess, that we use to protect the artwork. Hardboards, I guess that's what they're called, hardboards. Good way to protect the artwork during shipping. Bit pricey on the shipping cost, but it was for charity. Now, if I remember right, this was a charity auction for Mr. Williams. I believe he goes by the name Brohawk, but don't count me on that one. I'm not 100% sure. So let's see how we can get this slid out. Looks like it's got tape to yeah, gotta be real careful here. All right, here we go. I'm just kind of doing this off the side so that way I don't have any personal info on the other side of the page. It looks like I got a double-sided one here. Good golly, let me go a little further. Let's try to get this under. So this was a Hulk piece that was available. Let's see. Taping the bag up and shit, man. I got lucky there. I got myself, oh, it's going to be hard to show here, but I'll try my best. I got what appears to be the first attempt at this, I guess. And then on the flip side, the finish. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Let me see if I can adjust my camera here a little bit to give you a better view on this. Let's take a really good look at this one. Williams 2021. Yep. So this is what I picked up from this auction. And so I'm going to say, here's the rough sketch. Wow. I'm really lucky on that one. The rough sketch that he started the whole thing with. The finished product. Nice. Okay, thank you, Mr. Williams and 4C Comics. And thanks everybody for watching. Leave a comment, leave a thumbs up if you want. And we'll see you next time on our next unboxing.